I specialize in and am quite proficient at healing both men and women, and also working with couples to bring them to higher ecstasy. With women, I specialize in awakening the G-spot and opening a woman up to higher levels of orgasmic ecstasy. Women who are pre-orgasmic, meaning they've never had an orgasm before, or women who can only have orgasms in one position, or only by themselves and not with a partner, or only if their clitoris is being stimulated as well, or only clitoral orgasms. Whatever limitation a woman has, I can help them heal that. I support them in releasing the wounds from the past, in clearing away the emotional baggage, and in releasing the numbness, the pain, or whatever it is that's standing in the woman's way. I perform yoni massages from a very beautiful, healing, holistic standpoint, awakening a woman by releasing whatever is in her sacred space inside her G-spot and around that tissue that keeps her from being able to experience high-level orgasm. I bring women into a state where orgasms come easily and readily to them after my work. I also awaken their inner tigress, or their inner feline, which means the women who are a little bit shy or inhibited in whatever ways. I support them in awakening to their inner divine feminine goddess power, their ability to be sensual and sexy and comfortable and confident and seductive whenever they want to be, and really take control and comfort and ease in the bedroom. With men, I can work with men who are having any sorts of erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, or not strong enough erections, or lack of self-confidence in the bedroom on how to please a woman. And I can bring them with training and homework and the work we do here into the ability to have confidence, functionality, and become the really best lover they could possibly become. I teach them how to love a woman, how to open her up slowly, touch her erogenous zones, touch her heart, increase her libido, increase her pleasure, desire him more, and want to make love more because she is having so much more fun that she really wants it. And I love working with couples to bring them into higher, deeper, richer states of ecstasy together, whether things have transpired in the past to make them build walls and they're no longer having intimacy, or they're only having it on rare occasions, or whether they're having great sex and love each other deeply, but their great sex on a scale from 1 to 10 is still a 3 or a 4, and I can bring them to a 10 by teaching them techniques to expand their pleasure, to expand their intimacy, to expand their heart connection, to awaken their kundalini energy, their sexual spiritual energy, for more ecstasy that they can run through each other and between themselves individually directly to the divine. To keep couples happy, passionate, desiring each other, and coming back to each other into the bedroom again and again. The techniques that I use in the session are teaching, training, coaching, breath practices, energetic practices, tantric connection practices. I do energetic healing, chakra balancing, kundalini awakening, massages on the back of the body. And for women, I do yoni massage inside the genitals. For men, I don't do genital massage. I teach men how to do yoni massage on their partner, if their partner wishes for me to do that together as a couple. And I also do energetic healing on the heart on both men and women and couples to heal whatever is in the past that keeps them from having the ecstasy, the intimacy, and the connection that they want. Sometimes I use hypnosis, regression, to bring a person back to the initial sensitizing event that caused whatever it is that gets in their way. We go through an experience of journeying back and healing the past in a very beautiful, obviously healing way in hypnosis. I do it all with gentleness, kindness, the highest respect for you as an individual and for myself as a healer. And we work together with your angels and my angels in the place that we call the Namaste. And that's the place in myself where I honor my own divinity and I honor your divinity, and together we work together from this place of oneness and connection and divine support and guidance. I hope that you'll come see me in my space in Florida, or if you can't get to Florida, connect with me and let's do a Skype session. There's a lot of work that I can do by Skype in terms of teaching and training and coaching. You can also watch my videos to get training and education right in your own home on your computer. It's been a pleasure seeing you, and namaste. I hope to see you again soon.